Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your domain to GoDaddy, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start the domain transfer process, log in to your current domain registrar's account. Locate the domain you want to transfer. Make sure the domain is unlocked for transfer. Look for an option labeled Transfer or Unlocked Domain. Next, find and note the authorization code, also known as EPP code. This code is needed to initiate the transfer at GoDaddy. Visit the GoDaddy website and create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Domains section. Click on Transfer Domain. Enter the domain name you want to transfer into the provided field. Paste the authorization code into the designated area. Review the transfer information and any additional options presented. Proceed to add the domain transfer to your cart. Complete the checkout process by following the provided instructions. Check your email for transfer confirmation messages from both your current registrar and GoDaddy. Follow any specific instructions in these emails to approve the transfer. The transfer process usually takes a few days to complete. Once completed, check your GoDaddy account to ensure the domain appears in your list. Congratulations, you have. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.